In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a privacy policy on Squarespace. This is a useful page to have on your website because it helps explain how your site collects, uses, and protects visitor information. In Squarespace, the setup process is simple once you know where to click. And in this walkthrough, we'll create a dedicated page and add your privacy policy text to it. To begin, go into your Squarespace site dashboard and click on Website. This is where you'll manage the structure and content of your site. From there, click on Pages so you can access all of the pages currently on your website, including visible pages and pages that are kept out of the main navigation. Once you're in the Pages area, look for the Not Linked section. This section is helpful when you want to create a page that doesn't automatically appear in your main menu right away. In that Not Linked area, click the plus icon to add a new page. After the page options appear, click on the highlighted area shown for creating a new page and then choose Add Blank. This gives you a clean starting point without any pre-built layout elements getting in the way. When the new page is created, name it Privacy Policy. Giving it a clear and standard title makes it easy for visitors to understand what the page is for, and it also helps keep your site organized on the back end. Next, click Edit to open the page editor. Once you're inside the editor, click Add Section. When Squarespace asks what type of section you want to add, choose Add Blank again. This creates an empty section where you can place your policy content exactly how you want it. Now click Add Block. This opens the block menu where you can choose the type of content you want to insert into the page. From the available options, click Text. A text block is the best choice here because a privacy policy is usually a written document, and this allows you to paste and format it cleanly. At this point, paste your privacy policy text into the text block. Make sure the content is complete and properly formatted so it's easy to read. It's also a good idea to quickly scan through the text after pasting to check for spacing issues or formatting changes that sometimes happen when content is copied over from another document. And that's it. You've now created a privacy policy page on Squarespace and added the text to it. From here, you can review the page visually and make sure everything looks clear and professional before moving on.